Good day and welcome to Bite Size. You are a leader, so lead. And maybe I'm stating the obvious, but you and I, we lead from the front. But sometimes there's people with different capabilities, different talents, that you and I need to be at a place also where we're comfortable in our own skin, where sometimes we need to lead from behind. Where we ask people who's more knowledgeable, maybe he's got more experience, to lead in certain areas. But if you are the leader, take charge, lead. People look at you for wisdom, people look at you for direction, and people look at us as leaders to be a moral compass also in the day and age that we live in. If you are a leader, lead, and may you be the best leader you can be. Cheers.